This video is going to cover how to cut relief cuts in your concrete. Now you don't want to wait too long. In this case, I waited 24 hours. You don't really want to leave it any longer than that, as it will start cracking. So I try to get it anywhere between the 8-hour mark and the 24-hour mark. So I just picked out a straight board. It's a 1x4. And it worked out perfect with the grinders. As far as the depth of the cut, I went 5/8. Typically you want to be about 1/3 of the depth of the concrete. So this is actually a 2-inch slab, so 5/8 was just right.